Welcome back, Polar Pack. Leo here, full-time foodie. Let's put in overtime this week. Today we're exploring downtown Orlando. We're gonna check out this Chicago tavern style pizza spot. It's new, it's called Nuri's Tavern. My daughter actually stopped by before and she says it's valid. So I'm curious, I've never had any of this Chicago style bar or tavern style pizza. So I'm excited to try it out. If you're new around here, consider joining the Polar Pack by hitting the subscribe button. I post my raw and honest food reviews weekly. You don't wanna miss out on the next one. I'll see you next week. So apparently this building right here is the oldest building in Orlando and it's still standing. It's like a museum now. And they're gonna open a coffee shop?
Yeah, right there, City Arts Cafe. They're closed though.
They never opened they never opened up the coffee shop?
No, they haven't. Yeah, they were supposed to like last month, but
hasn't it been like 6 months?
I don't know.
We're coming up to it right here actually. Nuri's Cold Beer Hot Pizza Tavern. Dining. Oh, they do have takeout too.
I don't know, because if we're
I didn't know they had takeout. It looks empty in here. What do you think? It's gonna be good?
Yeah.
So open seating, you can sit wherever you want.
Yeah.
Okay, and you just grab a menu?
There's a QR code. No, I think
there's a QR code? Okay.
You can
just put
yeah,
that.
we're kind of sharing.
Try them all anyway.
Right. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Dirty Shirley and spicy margarita.
Spicy Paloma, bro.
Same thing.
It's not the same thing.
Spicy Paloma. What was
This
the
is
spicy
a Dirty
Paloma?
Shirley with the cherry. I don't even remember, man.
Oh, that's nice. Oh.
This one's nice. It has maybe like a
I love
cherry
that.
liqueur or a cherry syrup. I think you like this one.
They're pretty. And they're
Is
pink.
it spicy
like,
though? Is yours spicy?
No. I think it's, wait, I'm gonna look this up.
Should have told them triple spice. A little bit.
And I would like it spicier. Well, that's just me.
I like the Dirty Shirley better than your Spicy Paloma.
What's a Shirley Temple?
It's a Shirley Temple is usually just Sprite with
Cranberry.
no grenadine syrup.
Close enough. It's they're both
What did you say?
Pink. Cranberry.
Cranberry.
I mean, they're
What the
both
hell?
reddish pink, so technically I'm halfway there.
One is a syrup, man.
I'm halfway there, bro. Cranberry
What
could be
is-
cranberry syrup and a juice.
So what is in yours?
All right, let's see. The Spicy Paloma. Oh, it's jalapeno infused tequila, grapefruit soda, and lime. Dirty Shirley's vodka, cherry soda, and lemon.
Maybe they should have left the jalapenos in the drink.
I think it's in the tequila. Like the tequila is jalapeno infused. Didn't we have one of those like that? And I also like it's not that spicy because I guess whatever fermenting process they do, it doesn't really add spice. It adds a bit of different flavor, but you don't really get heat.
Mia's, I think.
I think so.
Yeah, you
Mia's?
said it. You said you couldn't taste any of it.
That
any
one,
of
the
Did I taste
margarita
that?
at Mia's tasted just like lemonade. Like I would give that to a toddler. It did not taste like it had any
You
alcohol
can
in
give
it.
that to a toddler.
No,
man.
I'm
What
just
are you
saying if
doing?
like
You're tripping out here.
No, I'm not saying that I would, but like if I didn't know that it was
Don't do that at
if
home,
it was
guys.
if I didn't know it was alcoholic, I'm just like this is lemonade. I drank like 20 of those, and then I'm just like, whoa, what am I doing?
Yeah. I remember.
not
I remember
taste
the
like
one at
any
Mia's.
of
Yeah,
these.
had like no tequila in it. Like
Yeah,
what
you
the
did not
fuck?
taste it. I think they lied.
I think they forgot about the tequila in it. We should have complained about it. Maybe you would have gotten a shot of it, a free shot.
You're like they bring you a whole bottle. Just here you go. Is that enough?
Yeah.
These are really good. Forget the pizza. I'm here to drink.
That one's good though. It's probably a better drink.
For 4th of July, we actually ordered some chilies. We got some of their to-go drinks. We got 4. What did we get? It was like a mango margarita one, a spicy margarita,
Yeah.
the berry dragon, and the watermelon spritz.
The berry dragon was the best one.
That one was good. The watermelon was good. The margaritas were also good. I like them all.
And it's
They were
only
all really
$6.
good. Yeah.
They have a margarita of the month apparently.
But to go, were they also $6? I think some were like 10.
It was $6 also to go.
It's like for some of the margaritas, there's like basic lime, but if you want like a flavor like mango, it's like $1 more.
It was $6.
Okay.
It was $6.
It was pretty
But
good.
the only thing is that when you get those drinks to go, it's like a shitload of ice.
Oh yeah, we took the ice out and it was like halfway full.
Yeah.
Somebody said online that they went to Chili's for the bottomless margaritas. I think it was $6 margaritas.
They had bottomless margaritas?
I don't know. I think like May they do margaritas. It was something like margarita May margarita, whatever.
Uh-huh.
But they were drinking. I want to find that one video. I think I sent it to you like a long time ago. And they're like first margarita, second margarita, and then they're like seventh margarita. One of the girls, she's just like, she's like not even there anymore mentally. She's so gone. And I was just like, I kind of want to go get wasted at a Chili's. That sounds like a good time. I want to get
No, man.
the gallon, the margarita gallon,
Can't get wasted anywhere
or the
outside.
Applebee's bucket.
I mean,
I want the Applebee's bucket, the margarita bucket.
first we would need to buy a wheelchair.
That's okay.
Because I'm not. Where am I going to carry you around, bro? I'll take the wheelchair, and on the way out, that's how I take you home.
Mom would be so mad. Like when it's my birthday, we celebrate the whole month. It's a tradition because remember in New York, it usually would snow on the week of my birthday, so we would celebrate a week before, and then we would have something at home, and then I'm like, oh, it wasn't enough, so we would celebrate again eventually. So I'm just like, it's like a tradition. We have to
It
celebrate the
happened when
whole
you were in
month.
middle school because
Because there's always
a
blizzards.
thunderstorm.
No, blizzards.
Yeah, a snowstorm, and we had already plans to go out to eat. And then since we got snowed in, then I had to like cook up. I made sushi for you. I made
The
I
sushis
don't even
are
know what
good.
else. Sliders. I made you a bunch of food.
Yeah.
Fries.
We would buy the cake beforehand, so it was
Yeah.
ready.
So we had the cake, thankfully.
I would get the whole week off. Usually when it was like a blizzard, we wouldn't have to go to school. I would love that about New York, like waking up and like the day before it was like the kids at school would talk about how it's like likely to snow. And they're like, oh, it's hopefully it snows a lot, like 3 feet or more or whatever. That way the buses can't come pick us up. So I would wake up at like 7 in the morning, quickly look outside the window. If I saw the snow piles on, I was like, I'm not going to school today. And I would go back to sleep. I was like, oh, I love it. If we were
As a
lucky, we would
kid,
get
I
like
used
2 to 3 days stay
As
at
a
home.
kid, it's nice, but when you're an adult and you have to get to work, it's dangerous.
I would just not go.
Yeah. I used to have to call out because in Huntington, where we live, to get in there was like a huge ass hill going
Right. It was like
up and,
very slippery.
entering and exiting. And it was near the water, so it would get icy there too. Not because it was near the water, but
the
the
lake.
whole hill. Yeah. One time I was coming back from work and it had snowed and I was going up and the car was sliding. I couldn't get up to the hill. And thankfully, some guy, he saw me struggling out
Oh
there.
yeah, I remember. And he let you
Yeah.
park where
he
his
let me
cars
park
are.
in his driveway, and I just walked. Mom
Walked
came out to
around.
help me. We
Yeah.
still couldn't get it out. She brought extra shovels. We still
Oh.
couldn't get through.
There's one time you guys were shoveling outside, and I think Mom was shoveling. You were shoveling the driveway or whatever. And I think they're bringing our things over. Now I'll continue my story in a second.
To be continued.
All right.
It's a trilogy.
Thanks.
Okay. Hey,
Looks great.
damn, it looks good.
It's so good.
Super thin. Garlic. Yeah. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. And before we have the pizza, I want to finish my story. So they were shoveling the snow outside, and I saw a huge pile of snow. My mom was like, "Don't do anything stupid." So I went and put my foot in the pile of snow. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
So I went and put my foot in the pile of snow, like all the way up to my knee. And then I was stuck, and like I didn't want to ask her help because I kept trying to get out, but I kept like falling in deeper. And then my mom looks around. I'm just like, I can't feel my foot. And my mom like freaking out. She
Not
grabs the
good.
shovel and like she starts pushing all the snow away, and she gets my foot out. Like it was like really purple, and like I was so
It was
cold.
purple, your
Yeah,
foot?
because I was waiting there for like I don't know, like 10, 15 minutes trying to get it out because I was like, Mom told me not to do that, and
You
I went to
never
do it.
listen. You still don't listen.
Yeah, but it was fun.
You
It was
never
like a
listen.
pile
You
of
always
snow.
think that you have you know what you need to do.
Well, it was snow. It was fun. It was
How
my
was
child.
that fun, bro? Your foot was turning purple.
Yeah,
I
but
don't remember Mom ever mentioning that.
I think she did. She was really mad at me. She was
Hmm.
super mad because she's like, I specifically told you not to do that, not to jump in the
Exactly.
snow. And when the moment she left, I went and did exactly that.
Like that one time she got a, what was it? Oh, we put a little space heater because the room that we had, the heat there wasn't enough in the bedroom where she had all her toys. And we told her, don't touch the fucking heater. As soon as my wife leaves the room,
I
she
went.
puts a little, it starts smoking up and shit because she put her little plastic knife in there to touch the hot stuff.
I was curious because you didn't say why, so I'm just like,
And
I
Mom
want to
said,
figure
why
it
would you
out.
do that? She said she wanted to see what would happen. What the hell? You don't need to know what would happen. You don't need to know everything.
Yes, I
Just
do.
listen to us.
I don't know. It was my curiosity got the best of me. Oh, you got
All right,
B-rolls?
let's so this is the meat lovers pizza. So it has sausage. It says meatballs and pepperoni. I like that this is a little crispy cut pepperonis, and I would like some more basil. I really love basil on my pizza, actually. All right, let's try this out. I also got this side of garlic butter,
And we got some Parmesan.
and we got some parm right here. Is this better than New York pizza? You had it before.
Yeah.
I never had this type of pizza before.
It's different. New York pizza is completely different from this. I think this is more snacky.
Snackish? What do you
It's
mean?
really
Why would
thin.
this
It's
be
like
snackish?
it's snackish.
Yeah,
Like you
why
would have
would...
like a bunch of drinks and you would have this. It's really good, I think.
Okay.
I think you would like it because it's crispy.
Damn, it's mad thin. It's
Exactly. I think that's
freaking
why you'll
thin,
like it.
man.
Oh,
Look at
I
this.
just got a plain one.
It's different. Why would you not get a middle one, man?
Okay, wait.
That's like a little cookie size. This is the one she grabbed right here.
Because it was the closest one to me.
Get the middle one, bro.
Trying.
Look how thin this is. This is crazy thin right here. I never had anything like this.
Exactly. I think you would like it because you like thin crispy.
Hmm.
Well, you're definitely gonna like it.
Real thin. I wonder how the dough of this looks when they're
Oh, you want to use
making
the
it
plain
raw.
one?
The what?
Show the background?
Oh, here we go.
Because this is show the back.
The back of it.
Okay, I'm going to buy it. You're
Pretty
taking too
charred
long.
up there. I'm taking too long. We gotta talk. We
No,
gotta
no,
talk
no.
it through. Don't.
Bruh.
Don't. Why would you bite it, man?
Mm-mm.
I need more B-roll.
Mm-mm. So good. Mm-hmm. We never had anything like this before. At least you haven't. I tried last time I was here.
I never had anything like this before. It's super thin and crispy.
Mm-hmm. The owner last time we were here,
Mm-hmm.
he said something like it took him a few months to perfect the crust.
Different.
I don't know what is in the crust, like how they get it this thin.
Yeah, that's what I
Without
wanted to
it
see
getting
how the raw
soggy.
one looks.
Do you think they have Parmesan?
Mm.
Because I feel like they might add that to help keep it without getting soggy. I have no idea, honestly.
You're right. It's not soggy at all. It's got a thin layer sauce. It feels like it has a lot of cheese, though.
Hmm.
I do like the meatballs. So some of the chunks here are meatballs and some of them are sausage. It's actually really good.
When I told them about this font, I showed him pictures. He was like, that don't look good. Probably not going to be good. And I was like, it's good. Don't knock it till you try it. Because you like thin and crispy. This is exactly that. I think this is the only pizza Mom will let him have because it's really thin. Because she's like concerned about the carb.
I think I would still rather have a slice in New York.
I think I would get this.
Yeah? You haven't had pizza in New York in years, bro. I have it often, almost every
Okay,
month.
why are you bragging?
I'm not bragging. I'm just saying you probably don't even remember it anymore. My taste buds are constantly being refreshed.
Oh, God. Oh, chili
Back
flakes.
to New York standards.
Chili flakes.
Oh. Let me dip it in the butter here. That garlic butter's insane, bro.
Is it?
Yeah. You gotta try it with the garlic butter. If you come here, you want to try the pizza? I put this at like a 8.4 is my score. What do you? What's for you?
9.1. It's up there for me. This feels like perfect. Perfect little morsel.
It's gonna be hard for me to score a pizza in the 9.
Well, that's because you're used to pizza from New York.
Well, I've lived there my whole life.
Let's
And I'm
assume
there every
you've
month.
never had a New York slice.
Huh?
If you never had a New York slice, what would you rate this?
I'll kill myself. I would drive off a cliff if I never had a New York slice.
Yeah, but you
fuck are
wouldn't
you
know what you're
talking
missing
about?
out on.
I would know. Ninja Turtles. Come on, you know. They ate pizza in New York.
Yeah,
They
but
weren't
that's
like,
Domino's.
let's go to Chicago.
That was like Domino's or Papa John's. That's like doughy.
No. In TMNT 2, they would order from the pizza spot in the corner. Don't you remember?
No, it's been a while since I've seen the movies.
Come on, man.
Isn't there, you said there's like a new movie
Oh,
coming
yeah, I
out?
wanted to go. They're doing like a relaunch. Not a relaunch. What do you call it when they put it back in theaters for a certain amount of days?
Re-release?
Because it's the 35th anniversary.
Re-releasing? I don't know, actually.
How much for you? I could see though, if you grew up with this is gonna be in the 9s for you. It's really good. It's different. I never had anything like this. But, I mean, my favorite pizza spot in New York is Scars. It's not gonna beat Scars. Not gonna beat Scars.
They're different. They're not even the same.
It's yeah, but it's still a pizza. Maybe it's just not my
It's like
preference.
comparing a burger with sirloin
I didn't
sirloin
say it was
steak.
bad.
Because
I
it's like
think
they're
it's
both
good.
beef.
I say it's good. I just have a preference. This is not like Gito's over here. Gito's is straight trash. It's really mid. Fucking pizza slices taste like they're 3 days old. I don't know what the hell they're doing over there.
Even the pizza at my school was better than that. And that tasted like
Should I
cardboard.
buy a whole pie over there? I don't know, but
Can I say I
everybody
did
I
try?
talk to agrees with me. There's nobody that has told me, hey, go to Gito's and buy a whole pie. I was going to say, I think if Dave Portnoy visited,
Here?
no, Gito's,
You burned that place down.
he might
He
put him in
would.
the 5s
I think we
to
give it a 4.
6s, I think.
Maybe
Max.
5. Yeah, you're right.
And then I think I would consider from him an 8 in the 8s is a good score from him. Or close to 8.
Isn't he from New Jersey?
Actually from Boston.
Okay, close enough.
I think he moved to New York and then he started the Barstool company, right? Something like that.
I don't watch his content.
It's a good pizza. It's a good vibe down here too, if you want to come here and try it. But this is not something I would crave to eat again. I think I'd rather go to like Doughboys or South Pizza Bar.
You wouldn't get this again?
Nah.
Hmm.
You
I'll just
would?
get one for myself.
Well, eat it if you're buying
Don't grab
it.
a piece of it either. When I buy one, you better not even grab a little scrap.
If it's there, I'll eat it, but I'm not going out of my way driving down here. If you buy it and you bring it home
I'm gonna eat it in the
on
car.
your way back home from work, then
I'm eating it in the car.
All right, eat in the car and go get me Doughboys or
No.
Sal's.
That's out of my
Actually,
way.
don't, because this stop, I think it was maybe 2 months ago, I went to Umberto's with a friend of mine. They have one of the best grandma slices in New York. It's literally insane, like how good the tomato sauce is and how crispy it is, and almost like buttery too. It's crazy. The crust.
The Italians knew what they were doing when they made pizza, pasta, tiramisu.
But I guess slices aren't really a thing down here in Orlando. Like
No.
in New York, you get a slice, you know that shit was made
Sales Pizza
in
Bar,
the
though.
past hour or two.
Sales Pizza Bar, you're allowed. You can buy slices.
Yeah, and Doughboys too. They've been good too, both those two spots. But like, don't let us, don't let, don't let your slices sit there overnight, man. You give it to your staff or donate it. That's what a lot of the top pizza spots in New York do, actually. They just donate it. They get rid of it. They don't save it for the next day. The good spot I'm talking about. Of course, you're going to have your dollar slice spots probably saving it for a week, though. Yeah.
That's what Gito's doing.
Huh? They are, yeah.
That's been there since the Triassic era.
Yeah.
You're a
It's
hater. Put
different.
it down
I'm
if
a
you don't
hater.
like it, then. Why are you like?
I
You
like
ate
the garlic
most
butter,
of
bro.
them. I had like 2, 3 little slices. He's eating like half of it, and he's like, "Oh, it's all right. It's all right."
I think it's all right. I thought it was good.
Mm-hmm.
I like the crispy pepperoni cup. Like you said, I wouldn't crave this to have this again. So your score, 9 point what?
I'll
One?
give it a 9.
9?
9.1. I think 9 is a good score for me. It is
9?
pretty good. It's very snacky.
I'm going 8.4.
Like, I wish this is what they would have at Dave & Buster's.
This?
Yeah. They have like
Dave
flatbreads.
and Buster's.
Yeah.
Oh,
I feel
yeah,
like-
they had those flatbreads.
I think this is way better for that kind of
Yeah,
like.
this is better than the flat. than
Yeah.
that shit. I don't eat pizza often down here because
Mom will let
my
you.
wife and Jocelyn, they don't really like pizza either.
I like it. I just not. I'm a chicken fire fiend.
She
That's
prefers
like
to
everything I
have chicken
have.
tenders, bro. How old
It's
are
so
you?
good. 21. What about it?
And you eating chicken tenders on the regular?
Great. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. You can't shame me. I
So,
refuse
yeah,
to
so-
be shamed.
Really, since I'm in New York, that's where I take advantage and have pizza. And
Because it's the only pizza you like, anyways. Besides, like the few spots down here.
that's true. That's true. I gotta take advantage, Get my bacon, egg, and cheese. Get my pizza.
Thank you guys for joining us. Thank you for funding my little cocktail experience. Every like is an additional margarita that I can drink. So keep supporting the channel and stay tuned for next week's video.